not true that the government had employed 103 community health promoters, CPH, and finally the default rates of the loans borrowed under the Hustler Fund are higher than the ones of the commercial banks. I proceed to caution, as provided in Standing Order 1052, that failure to withdraw and apologize will result in Senator Edwin Sifuna being deemed to be disorderly within the meaning of Standing Order 121. Senator Sifuna. Senator Sifuna.
Mr. Speaker, this is a hill that I am determined to die on. My conviction is right. My conscience is clear. I refuse to withdraw or apologize for any of those sentiments because they are the truth. And Mr. Speaker, allow me to see myself out in lines of Standing Order 121 2B. You don't need to bother yourself. I'll just walk out.
Kindly proceed.
Thank you, sir.
Order, honorable senators. Now I proceed to propose the question.